So hello fellow coin collectors and people who want to collect coins. Well, you come to this video because you want to know how to start coin collecting. Well, one simple way is to actually collect coins to circulate in your country. Now this does not apply to every country. It does apply to all the first world countries. But a few countries that it doesn't apply to is like Laos, Cambodia, Democratic Republic of Congo, and a few other countries that don't actually have coins. But all you need to do is collect the change that you go and get when you buy stuff. So these are just random coins I got as change, and generally I would spend most of these because they're not really worth collecting. But you can just pick out the best coin of each denomination. So this one is 2016, $2. I'll actually keep this coin because I'm looking for the best 2016 coins from circulation. So you keep that one. Okay, you got another denomination. Okay, 50-cent coins. 2,983. No. They're actually a bit too circulated to collect for Australian coins, so I'll have to look for a 50 cent somewhere else. 20-cent coins. Yeah, that looks alright. This is a high mintage coin, so yeah, if you want to use it as a gap filler, so you just keep it for now, and when you get a better coin, you can spend it again. So 10 cent, 2013. Yes, you would keep that. Okay, is there any 5-cent coins that are good and worth collecting? No? Maybe this one, 2010. No, maybe this one, 1993. The older the better, and the lower the mintage, also the better. Okay, and when you have $1 coin, but it's 1996, so it's a commemorative coin. And also you can actually collect commemorative coins. Now this doesn't apply to all countries as well, because countries like New Zealand, Indonesia, Japan, Korea, or whatever countries don't actually issue commemorative coins. All the Euro countries issue commemorative coins. I'm trying to think. Scandinavian countries? No, they actually do issue commemorative coins. So a lot of the South American countries like Paraguay, Central American, like Nicaragua or Costa Rica, don't issue commemorative coins. So in these cases, you just collect the best standard circulation coins. But in countries like Australia, United States, Canada, UK, the Eurozone, they actually do issue commemorative coins every few years. Like in Australia for $1 coins, 50-cent coins, probably every 5 years. And 20-cent coins, when was the last time they issued? 2011? So that's about 7 years ago. No, 2013. Yeah, so about 4 years ago actually. So about 4 or 5 years now they issue 20-cent coins. So you can collect a variety of commemorative coins. Another way to collect coins is to ask older people, grandparents and whoever else, for any of the older coins that they might have collected. Like I actually got a lot of older pre-decimal currencies off my grandmother, and yeah, she just kept them because during the changeover in 1966 she was about 40 years old, so she was well versed in the pre-decimal currency. And while she was not rich, these pennies and up to florins were actually she actually kept a few, but they themselves were not coin collectors. a third way to collect coins is to ask people that go overseas if they have any coins to bring back, or just ask them to bring back some coins. I actually do this for people who actually go overseas. Now these coins here I never actually got overseas. These euros I just get in change. So you can also get some foreign coins in your change, doesn't matter what country it is. And also these American coins I got in change. We get these ones as 10-cent coins. And a fourth way is actually buy them off the internet or a coin shop. So these Tunisian coins, so 5 dinars, I actually bought them as a bulk lot off the internet. And I buy most of my coins off eBay because I generally don't have a problem. I've had a few problems, but most people are quite honest. That's what I have experienced. So if you want to collect coins, those are the best ways you can actually start a coin collection. Now, as you progress and your coin collection starts to evolve, you start to change and collect different types of coins. Like me personally, I don't actually really collect US coins, I don't really collect Euro coins, I don't really collect Australian coins as well. I prefer my coins to be a lot older. Roman coins, South Asian, that means Indian, Pakistani coins before the Mughal period, and any of the older coins of the Greeks and Chinese Empire. So that is how you just start collecting coins. My advice is if you don't know how to do it, just start collecting coins. You'll soon get the hang of it and you'll just have lots of fun. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have an awesome coin collecting time.